In this video, we will cover the basics of navigating the headset menus and apps using the controller. Once you turn the headset on and wake the controller, you will see the home menu of the Google Daydream operating system called the Daydream dashboard. Know that you are in the dashboard by noting the trees and the waterfall in the background. The tiles at the top of the dashboard are various VR apps that may be downloaded from the Google Play Store. These apps are not currently downloaded on the headset. If you hover your cursor over these tiles, the prompt will read, "Get in the Play Store." The purpose is to showcase apps that you may want to download and explore. Notice that you can use the controller touchpad to swipe through the apps in the top of the screen. At the bottom of the dashboard, you see a select few apps that have been downloaded to the headset and are available for use. Notice that when you hover over the apps with your cursor, the title of the app appears below the tile. Notice the three circular icons at the bottom of the screen. Hover over these icons with your controller cursor in order to see the title. The first icon is the Google Play Store. This is where additional VR apps may be downloaded to use on the headset. The second icon is the library. This is where you'll find all of the apps that are downloaded on the headset. The library icon looks like a 9-grid square or waffle, as you will see this in other menus in the headset. The third icon is the Chromecast, which will allow you to stream what you see in the headset to an external display. Let's access the library by hovering your cursor over the library icon and clicking the touchpad on the controller. Each tile in the library is an app that is downloaded and ready to experience in the headset. Hover over the close or back button at the bottom of the library and click the touchpad to return to the home menu. Each headset comes automatically connected to the Ruckus wireless access point to establish a connection to the teacher tablet. If the headset is connected to the Ruckus wireless access point, then content download is disabled. Content that is already downloaded on the headset may be viewed, but additional content may not be downloaded. If you need to connect to a different wireless network, press the Daydream button on your controller. This will take you to the notifications menu. At the top of the notifications menu, you will see the wireless internet icon. Hover over the icon with your controller and click the touchpad to select. Also in the notifications center, you will see the percentage of battery life for the headset as well as additional settings. If you wish to choose any option, hover your cursor over the selection and click the touchpad to select. If you open up settings, you will see that you can switch the controller to left-handed mode. At the bottom of the notification center, you will find tiles for a few of the apps that are downloaded on the headset. You will also see a shortcut back to the home menu and to the library to see all downloaded apps. This is an important feature about navigating the headset. If you end up in the notification center, remember you can always get back to the home menu or the library from here. Open the library, find the Welcome app, and open. The Welcome app walks you through using the controller and completes some practice exercises to get you comfortable in a VR experience. Once you complete the Welcome app, return to the library and find the app called Learn VR. This is also an app to practice getting comfortable in a VR environment and practice using the controller. When in any VR app, if you press the Daydream button on your controller, it will always take you back to the notification center. Once in the notification center, you can click the Daydream button again to take you back to the app that you were in or return to the Daydream dashboard or the library. When you are in an app, use the touchpad to make selections and the app button to navigate backwards in the app. Other purposes of the app button depend on the app that you are in. For example, it might show other menus or pause.